Hi! Hey guys, so I'm so excited for this video. This video is going to be sponsored by mintMONGOOSE, and if you haven't heard of mintMONGOOSE, then have no fear because I'm going to tell you all about it. So Helena over at mintMONGOOSE sent me a adorable package that I'm so excited to open. So let me just read you their about me because I thought it was adorable and I wanted to share it. So this is what it says. We are a company founded on the idea that the little things can make all the difference. You are a hard-working babe, and we want to treat you like the rock star you are. Our team carefully designs, curates, wraps, and hand seals each and every batch of goodies that travels through our doors in our fun floral embossed pillow box. We are absolutely thrilled that we get to send boxes all around the world to amazing women who trust us to send them their new faves. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I'm so excited to actually open it. I got it in the mail today and I had to refrain myself from not just wanting to tear it open because I wanted to share this with you guys. So I'm going to show you what's in this bag so that you can see what you're going to be getting, and it will help you decide if you want to subscribe or not. So the subscription fee is only $12 a month. These boxes actually retail at $40 and higher. So you're getting a really, really cool deal. And not to mention, it's just super fun to get something in the mail. You can, customize it so that you get it every month, every other month, whatever you want to do. But I'm really excited to share my box with you. So let's open it up. So it comes in this cute little turquoise bag. So let's open it up. So this is the little box that you are going to receive. So like a really pretty floral design on this white outer box, and then a beautiful mint colored ribbon with a little mongoose stamp. So I actually asked Helena what the whole mintMONGOOSE represents and what does it mean to her, and she basically just said, came up with the name because I correlated jewelry to mint and I wanted a cute little mascot that began with an M. The mongoose really doesn't get the credit it deserves, so I wanted to shine a light on the little fella. I love that. I love it so much. So this is the cute little box again that it will come in. Okay, so I have the box open and I got a little thank you card. Comes with a little candy. And then right away I see, oh, this is such a pretty ring. You see the detail on that ring? Oh my goodness. So beautiful. You can of course make it a little bit bigger if you need to. Oh my goodness, but I love this ring. I think it's so pretty. And to be completely honest, I'm not a huge silver girl, but there is something about the silver that has like that really pretty detail with it. It's very rustic and vintage, and I love this style. So I am definitely going to be rocking this for sure. Right, so let's see what else we got. So it comes in this little mint tissue paper, which is such a great color. So let's see, I'm so excited. I don't know about you guys, but I love jewelry. I love fashion jewelry. So I'm very, very excited to see what we got in here. This is the cute little card that is attached to your jewelry bag. The little mongoose is really cute. Aww. Well, I'm glad that it's finally getting the credit it deserves because it's adorable. So I got a pair of earrings. So it's like a little half moon. Do you see these? Adorable. Let's take these little guys off. Okay, so those are adorable. Look at how cute these are. So cute. Or you can wear them like a little watermelon if you want. Or this way. I guess you can wear them any way you want. It's so happy. Okay, so my next piece, so you get 3 pieces in your box. And this looks like it's a necklace. So this is kind of like a longer piece. Show you. Okay, this is so cute. It matches perfectly with what I'm wearing. I love it. So let me give you a little closer look. So this is what it looks like. A longer piece. Just think like throwing this on with like a white tee and some blue jeans. Adorable. So this is what it looks a little bit closer up. It has like a marble finish. And again, all of this jewelry is silver. These are also silver, and then the ring. Love it. This is the ring closer up. And then of course the earrings. So there it is, guys. I am so impressed with this unboxing. I love every single piece. And what I think is really cool about it is if you get your, you get your box in the mail, you pay your $12 a month, and you get a box and maybe it's not your style or maybe, you don't really need it, you can gift that. I love giving gifts to my friends just randomly, and I think what a great opportunity, to gift them this amazing jewelry. I just think it's awesome. I am such a fan. I'm so excited to get my next one. So make sure you check out mintMONGOOSE. I will put the link down below so you can check it out. It's customizable, so you can choose tones that you like, materials that you like, so that you definitely get things that you would actually wear yourself. And like I said, it's only $12 a month. And the jewelry is amazing, guys. I'm so in love with these pieces. So thank you again, Helena, for sending them out to me. So make sure to check out mintMONGOOSE. I will have the link down below. I definitely recommend the subscription, guys. It's only $12 a month. And I'm so excited because I have a code for you. So go ahead and check out the code in the description box below so you can get your first mintMONGOOSE subscription. You will not be disappointed, I promise. These pieces are amazing, and it's such a great company with such a great message. So yeah, if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys, so thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, well, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!